Health Minister Ampareen Lyngdoh on Monday said that the government wants the people to get best ambulances who can serve them in any medical crisis. The statement came following the ongoing controversy over the tendering process for selecting the 108 emergency ambulance service. The minister said that all the allegations and counter-allegations are being looked after by the technical committee and people should have faith in the government that it would select the best firm to operate the emergency services in the state.
Bidders have become very competitive. All bidders feel that they are the most competent company to run the 108 service. Let me remind the bidders one thing. You are bidding in the state of Meghalaya not to serve a luxurious service. You are here to be committed to ensure that the people of the state of Meghalaya get the best ambulance service and life-saving opportunities as possible. We are not going to be distracted by this competitive argument between companies. We are here to select the best of the best.
The 54th International